Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Abu, and for this video, I am going to help you learn how to fix the white balance of your photos in Photoshop. Some of the images we took from our camera or cell phone may look like it is cast in blue, or maybe it's too dark or yellowish. And we need to adjust for the correct white balance, but you don't know how to. Don't worry, I can help you with that. Okay. Now, let's begin. First, let's open the photo that we are going to work with. This photo doesn't look bad at all, but you'll see the difference once we are done adjusting its white balance. All we need to do is to create a new layer above our original photo by clicking on the Create New Layer icon. Or press Ctrl-Shift-N on a PC. Now we have our new layer. Fill it with 50% gray by pressing Shift plus Backspace, or by going to Edit and click Fill. Now, in Contents, choose 50% gray. Mode as normal. And opacity as 100%. Then click OK. Now, select the layer and change the blending mode to difference. Next, is with the gray layer selected, look for the new adjustment layer on the bottom right and choose Threshold. And before we continue with our tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell as well to keep you updated with our latest content and informative videos here on YouTube. Now, let's go back to our tutorial. Drag the slider all the way to the left. And then, drag it slowly to the right up to the threshold level of somewhere between 20 to 30. This may vary depending on the type of photo you are using, but in this case 25 should be fine. Now, click the eyedropper tool or press the letter I on your keyboard and zoom in to a dark area anywhere in the photo by holding Z plus left click. And then, hold down Shift and click on that dark area and you will create a little marker. Ctrl 0 to go back to full view. And click on the eye icon of both threshold and the gray layer to hide. Now, select the original photo layer. And click on the new adjustment layer below. And choose Curves. Now, choose the gray point eyedropper icon. And then, zoom in again to the marked area that we have created by pressing Z and left click. Once you've found the marked area, click on that exact spot. Press Ctrl 0 again to see full view. And, that's it. Let's check and see the before and after. Now, do you see the difference? I'll show you another sample. But this time, we are going to fast forward. Now, let's check the before and after. Congratulations! You've just learned how to fix the white balance of a photo in Photoshop. And now, you can make your photo to look like it was taken by a professional photographer. Please catch me on my next videos to learn more on how to put your creative skills using Photoshop. I would like to hear from you and let me know if this works for you or you've got other way of doing this using Photoshop. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.